What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP Kitchen. Today I'm going to make the pizza dough, and this pizza dough is inspired by Chef Jamie Oliver. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So our pizza dough is ready and I need to ferment this dough for about 2 to 4 hours. So our Jamie Oliver style pizza dough is ready, so you can make delicious thin crust pizza out of it and let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.